American crocodile. The American crocodile is found across parts of the Caribbean, Mexico, Central America, and northern South America. It is one of the more widespread crocodile species and can live in freshwater, brackish water, and coastal habitats. Its long, relatively narrow snout helps distinguish it from several other crocodilians. Morlett's crocodile. Morlett's crocodile lives mainly in freshwater habitats of Mexico, Belize, and Guatemala. It is generally smaller than the American crocodile and has a broad snout and heavily armored body. It is especially associated with rivers, lakes, swamps, and other wetlands. Cuban crocodile. The Cuban crocodile is native to Cuba and has one of the most restricted ranges of any crocodile. It is a relatively compact but strongly built species, with powerful jaws and long legs. Its limited distribution makes conservation especially important. Orinoco crocodile. The Orinoco crocodile comes from the Orinoco River basin of Venezuela and Colombia. It has a long, narrow snout and can reach a very large size. Once widespread, it has suffered major population declines, making it one of the most threatened crocodiles. Freshwater crocodile. The freshwater crocodile is native to northern Australia. Despite its name, it can tolerate some saltwater but is primarily associated with rivers, billabongs, and freshwater wetlands. Its narrow snout and smaller size separate it from Australia's much larger saltwater crocodile. Saltwater crocodile. The saltwater crocodile is the largest living crocodilian and occurs from northern Australia through parts of Southeast Asia and the Indian subcontinent. It is famous for its enormous size, broad snout, and ability to travel through marine and coastal environments. Its powerful build makes it one of the world's most formidable reptiles. New Guinea crocodile. The New Guinea crocodile lives in freshwater environments across New Guinea and nearby islands. It is generally smaller and less heavily built than the saltwater crocodile. Its appearance and habitat preferences reflect its adaptation to inland wetlands and rivers. Philippine crocodile. The Philippine crocodile is found only in the Philippines and is one of the world's most endangered crocodilians. It is a relatively small species with a broad snout and distinctive armored body. Habitat loss and historical persecution have greatly reduced its numbers. Mindoro crocodile. The Mindoro crocodile is a small crocodile native to the island of Mindoro in the Philippines. It was historically treated as part of the Philippine crocodile, but is now recognized separately by some taxonomic treatments. Its extremely limited range makes it particularly vulnerable. Nile crocodile. The Nile crocodile is one of Africa's largest crocodiles and is widespread across much of the continent. It inhabits rivers, lakes, swamps, and other bodies of water. Its adaptability and powerful hunting ability have allowed it to thrive in a wide variety of African environments. West African crocodile. The West African crocodile occupies parts of West and Central Africa. It was long confused with the Nile crocodile because of their similar appearance, but genetic research has shown that it is a distinct species. It generally favors freshwater habitats such as rivers, lakes, and wetlands. Slender snout crocodile. The slender snout crocodile is recognized by its exceptionally narrow, elongated snout. It lives in freshwater habitats in parts of West and Central Africa and is well adapted to catching fish and other aquatic prey. Its unusual head shape makes it easy to distinguish from broader snout crocodiles. Central African slender snout crocodile. The Central African slender snout crocodile is one of the more recently separated crocodile species. It occurs in parts of Central Africa and was historically grouped with other slender snout crocodiles. Its recognition as a distinct species shows how genetic research continues to reshape crocodile classification. African dwarf crocodile. The African dwarf crocodile is the smallest living crocodile species. It inhabits forest streams and swampy environments in parts of West and Central Africa. Its compact size and heavily protected body help it navigate dense vegetation and shallow waterways. Congo dwarf crocodile. The Congo dwarf crocodile is associated with the Congo Basin and was historically grouped with the African dwarf crocodile. It is a small forest-dwelling crocodile adapted to the waterways of Central Africa. Its classification highlights the hidden diversity found among Africa's seemingly similar crocodiles.
West African dwarf crocodile. The West African dwarf crocodile represents another distinct lineage within Africa's dwarf crocodiles.
It is adapted to forest streams, swamps, and other freshwater environments in West Africa. Like its relatives, it is much smaller than the giant crocodiles found elsewhere.